Hello, my friends. This is Jennifer. Thanks for popping by again. This will be part 2 of my HSN Christmas in July crafty haul. I'm going to try and go through it quickly. I did get the today's special. At one point, I'm going to show you that quickly. I haven't even unboxed it, but there are a lot of, you can see that all over. First thing I'm going to show you is, oh, no, let me see, this one. Anna Griffin's the Gilded Christmas Holly Hot Foil Plate. Again, this goes with her guild. And I wanted to see, please somebody else tell me if you've tried this or not. I wanted to see, I don't know if you could tell what I did here. I wanted to see if I could like emboss with it, or if that would, what would happen if I put it through with just regular foil paper. So I ended up, I don't know if you could see the pretty, I'm not really sure which way it's supposed to go. Maybe this way, I think. So pretty because it's such a thin plate. And I thought, well, maybe let's see. I'll show you how that worked out in just a second. And that was through the Empress. And I have to say my mats are, the mat I have, they're kind of beat to death. I have new ones. I just haven't put them in yet. This just shows you, to me, you can't really see. Here you can kind of see it, or here, the red and gold, you can see it pretty well. The hot foil on it, and it's a 5x7, so it won't fit with your glimmer or other one. So it's a large one. And here, you can see, I put it through twice. So it did, if you look, like a couple little spots, it broke through, sort of almost cut it there. But I thought, yeah, I would totally use that as a background, like with just the foil on foil. So that was just me with the paper shim. Well, actually, I used the cardboard right off of here, if you can see it. And it actually, the back looks really pretty too. I don't know what got in me, but I didn't have my guild. I wasn't bringing all that. And I thought, well, that came out pretty nice. It's not deep like a regular 3D, but you could still definitely see the pattern. So that was the number one thing. And I think that was about the same price as what it was on her site. Okay, yeah, that was $25. Okay, so let me show you the other one, because this package, I'm telling you, this package came separately by itself. This was the small sentiments. I did not attempt to do anything with it. It was an effort just to get the doggone thing out of the packaging, as you can see. So I don't know why that came separately, but I'm really happy with these because, one, you could certainly do them all at once, although I probably wouldn't. It's just that they have the small sentiments. The other ones she has that's come out so far with hot foils are like this big. I mean, they take up on a 5x7 or 4, which is really nice. I like big sentiments, and I cannot lie. So that's really nice, but these are quite nice. It's have a Merry Christmas, 'tis the season. Again, Merry Christmas, peace on earth, joy to the world, with love at Christmas, season's greetings. Wishing you a Merry Christmas, and Happy New Year. So there you go. So, but I just thought those were nice. You could see the size of them compared to, like, if you're going to put them on the plate, they're nice and small, just an inch or two. So you can put those on however you like. But that was the second thing that I got. This will not be as long as yesterday's. I'll link the video in case you missed that, with the whole, all the big stuff or more stuff that I got already. And anytime I have stuff, if they still have things available, I just put it down in the description, where the little dots, or you hit on the tag. I don't even know how they have it right now. Okay, the next thing I got, let's see, was a Kingston Crafts. This was, I don't think this, was this, I'm trying to think, Christmas Winter Puffy. I think this might have been last year, and it was the secret sale. Puffy stickers, and it was, again, $10.17 for this. So, wait till you see, like, I just think these are so stinking cute. Okay, so let me just kind of show you these quickly. I'm trying to make this like a shorter video, since yesterday's was ridiculously long. So, you're getting 2 sheets of our gingerbread with gumdrops and Christmas trees, snowmen, feeling frosty, baby, it's cold outside. Cute, right? The next one, 2 sheets of these. And we've got our little Santas, joy, stockings, Noel, visions of sugar plum. I mean, how cute are these? The little snowflakes, all of this. Adorable. Adorable. Here we go. Merry Christmas, ho ho ho, happy holiday. So these are like so nice. I mean, for me, for scrapbooking and stuff, to have that right on the page. Special seal, Santa Claus, North Pole. How cute. I like everything, the baubles, bows, mittens, poinsettias. So we've got 2 of them. And the last 2, look at this. Look at the little letters for Santa, candy canes, poinsettias, another one. And all our gifts. And look, can you see that? It actually says Santa on it, little letters to Santa. Oh my gosh. That, I mean, that with all these little cards, I love that. That's my favorite one of this. So got all those. So 8 of those, $10.17. Again, always you gotta watch for those secret. In fact, I start checking the evening before, like on the Monday, if craft day is Tuesday, and you just put in secret sale or Craft Happy, and sometimes you get it. And I check both on the website and I check also on the app, because sometimes it does come out differently. Okay, next thing, this was also secret sale item, and this was Kingston Crafts to go with what you just saw. Look at how nice. Okay, I gotta tell you, their paper is excellent. They always, how it's packaged, look at the corners, how it comes in. I'm just going to move that out of the way. When you get it, you're getting 60 sheets of it. I'll show you this really quickly. If you find it on their site or on HSN when they come out. And I think they still have maybe this one and the everyday or spring one, which I love, the summer one. So 10 sheets, look at that. 10 solids, 10 patterns, 3 of each. And if you don't know, which most of you probably know by now, if you look, on one side of the sheet, it's large print, the other side is small. So whether you're scrapbooking, you want it for accents, or card making, you have those options there. Candy canes, I mean, it's so cute. Isn't it cute? I just think it's adorable. And then what they started doing, instead of having all, like, there we go with our Nordic reindeer, our little gingerbread, loving him, pines, snowflakes on the navy, how pretty. And then now they've got the solids. Can you see that? That coordinate already with everything you have in there. So you don't even have to go and search for what you want. Like, you don't even have to try and search that. If you could see all the colors to coordinate. So I love that. That was I think this was like $12, I think. $12 for the 60 sheets, and it's like 216, it's thick. I don't know if you can, just so you know. It's thick. It's cardstock. It is thick. So, yeah, it was $11.97 for that. Okay. I'm going to show you this one. Okay, this was Diamond Press, the birthday background dies. And I just fell in love with these the minute I saw them. So you can see I kind of ripped them apart, ripped it open to see it. You've got all the swirlies. This one's going to make, whoops, the candle backgrounds. Let me see if they show you any on here. I had to cut those out right away. These I especially wanted, and it was like $22. They're 5x7. Now they just show, okay, so you can kind of see it cut out, but you don't see it. Her samples were gorgeous if you go back and watch that. Okay, I love that it's a 5x7, and I love that both of these are ones that you can certainly use for a mail card as well. So here you can see, I will say, like, I just used, again, I used the cardstock. This, you can see the brown back on the mirror card. That's out of Michael's, I think, or Hobby Lobby. Michael's, I think. This, again, this was Hobby Lobby, the thin, you know, ombre paper, and I just picked a piece because I thought, oh, I haven't glued that down, because that is definitely something that is going to take a little, with the sponge and glue to get that to go. But I just thought that's so pretty. So it's not all glued down, unfortunately. Like you can see, we're not all glued down here. Let me put it this way. Maybe it'll hold, you could see it a little better. But you could probably, hopefully you could see the ombre through there of the glitter. To me, that is just gorgeous, the little stars. And that can be for anybody, but especially for men. I don't know. I probably wouldn't use glitter. I'd use whatever color background, but to me, that is a quick and easy, like the create a card, one pass. I will say though, now I put this through on my Empress, and I had to put it through like twice and with the shim, But I think that's because my mats are so flattened out and her dies are much thicker. But I'm not worried about it. But if anyone else had the issue, just, you know, let me know. So that's the one, the swirly. This one I did, same thing. It's the Michaels foil paper. And again, there, you can't really see it in this light, but it's actually, maybe you can see it that way, pink and then up into yellow, which I didn't glue it down. I feel like it needs to be more dramatic, the color gradient there from one to the other, but just so you can see it. And I will tell you, if you do not have one of these pokey tools with a brush, or pokey tool and a brush, go get one, especially the brush, because let me tell you, again, I ran it through twice. There are so many little cuts that have to come out of there, but I really loved both of these. So, and this was $22 for 2 of those, full plate, 5x7s, and I just think they're so pretty. Okay, so next is the today's special. So I don't know how many people got this. I think a fair amount. And my regular Marquee, the normal size one, I would keep that here. I mean, you can see some of my bendy plates are always just on the desk there. I have a whole bunch of different sizes of them, like the smaller ones too. Died. The handle broke, then the mat broke. Like it's done. It's seen better days. And so I got this one and I thought, oh, this is good. But now that I have some of the other bigger ones, now I'm like, I don't really want to get a Grand Marquee. Because I already have the Empress, I have the Gemini 2, I have a Gina K. So I know I don't need this, but I really like the little one. And I've been having issues getting plates for my Crafter's Companion. Small one. And so this is a little bit smaller. I'm not going to do the whole thing on there. Like I said, there's a ton of videos out there. I'm going to play with it, which I haven't. I'll show you what it came with. I don't know if it's even still available at this point. Just scroll on ahead. If you have yours, got yours, already seen this, I am not going to be offended. But what I really liked, one is it's funny, look, they're really, look at that, flexy. They're very bendy. That is interesting. Okay, so now I'm going to have to play, but they are very small. They're like the Crafter's Companion. Here, I think they're not quite the same size. So just about the same size as the mini there, which, like you see, I already have, but I can never get the plates anymore. Okay, so we have this. This has the couple little, like, I think this is adorable. But this, to me, these get the little embossing folders. This is like something I use for gift tags or a panel card, maybe, that kind of thing. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. But you have the balloons, which I'm pretty sure you can see, and confetti. So those are really cute. I also did buy, which I haven't even opened yet, I want to play with it first, another set. And I thought this was expensive. It's $20 for, they call 2 folders, or 4 of these pieces, because you don't put them together. And it's funny because most of my other ones for the regular Marquee, you can see they still work even like that. I cut them apart because I always thought they lasted longer that way anyhow. So I'm happy with that. Here you can see this thing is like a booklet. Okay, it's like an actual booklet. So it's showing the first one where you can do the little tiny pull-up, cake pull-up, and also to do a tiny little 3D pop-out. Again, yes, you could probably use them as cards, but this is cute. Hooray, happy birthday to you. Look, it makes cupcakes. I like all that other little stuff. So I thought, you know, $70. I know some people wanted it less. I guess it depends on what you already have, but I thought since it came with the other stuff, and there was a couple on the auto ship I really liked. But here's how you do your pop out one. Just showing you the you know, basics of that. And this is just showing you everything it's coming with, like stencils for the numbers, balloons, cupcakes, regular cake, hooray, yay, birthday. More of these. Honestly, don't they just give you like so many? If you don't have their ultimate like stamp collections, spring, summer, winter, they're fabulous. They're so good. Okay, happy birthday, let's party, wishing you a birthday stacked with frosting and joy. That is a really good one. So there's so many of them, and look at like their little samples of all these. So I'll just hold that there for a second. Adorable, right? Okay, so let's just to the side. I will show you quickly the stamps because they're so cute, and I haven't seen them yet. I just want to see it really quickly. Let me see this. Let's see. I want to see the size of these. Let's see. This one goes this way. Yes. Okay. So the happy birthday to you. Let's party. Hip, hip. And then I think somewhere there's a hooray. Is it a die? I thought it was a die. Oh, here. Hip, hip, hooray. Down here, the dies of it. Cupcakes, the stacked one. Oh, happy day. Really cute. Look at the cake. And then you even have layers, the colored layers to put in. All these, love it. Okay, so to me, this is a really, for getting the whole set of dies and stamps and the machine, not too shabby. I thought it was worth it, and I really like Diamond Press. So I don't think there's. I'm trying to just see. Yes, and actually, yeah, Bitty Marquee. So now they have their own name. I just wanted to see on the inside, Grand Marquee on the backs will say Grand Marquee or the regular, or now we have Bitty Marquee. So it'll tell you which ones they will fit through. So obviously the little envelopes. Here's our little pull up. Okay, and the cake is here with just the device to make your pop out. And of course, that can go in as big a cart or small cart as you like. So we're not going to spend too much time on there because I think most of you have seen it. I will play with it at some point, but we just haven't, not yet. Okay, so I think this is the last thing, if I'm not mistaken, birthday. I think this is the last one, which is my favorite, which I couldn't wait to get, was the Moravian star. And honestly, I don't know why I thought there would be more to it. And here's what the people are fussing about. I'll show you. Once you see the directions, you will understand what. Now I see what people are fussing, but I'm keeping it, and I love it, and I don't care. So you can make 3 different size Moravian stars. So you have the biggest one. So each prong of the star is like 6.5 inches, and here is the insert for those. The medium size one is going to be like 4.25, roughly 4.25, and the small one, I'm guessing 3. So 3, 4, and what did I say that one was? 3, 4, and just over 6. Okay, and then you have the inside. So this one has like flower. I don't know if you can see it in the little stars, flower, and stars. Here's the thing of it. Once you start looking at the directions, that's okay. Still looks great. Looks easy. And I don't know that any of it's going to be hard. It's the taping together. Some of the people were having some issues, but honestly, I use wet glue a lot, so I don't know. We're going to try it. I am going to try this out. Here we can see the thing. It's this. Okay, to do any of these, okay, you've got to cut 20 pieces, 20 of that. And then if you want each part to have the stars in it to be like that, well, you only have 1 die. I agree. Somebody had said, oh, I wish they did an upsell so you could have 3 pieces to run it through once. So you got to cut it once, twice, 3 times. So that means you're running it through your machine 60 times, 60 passes, and then you got to assemble it. So it's, I definitely want that, and I'm going to put my little electric little night light or whatever in there like my other ones kind of have. But I am going to be working on that. Probably not yet, like in another week or so to try it, because I just can't wait to see it. I love them. And that is it for me. So this is much shorter. Okay, so that is everything I got. Just wanted to make it shorter after yesterday's. I will click the link, put the link for the other videos somewhere near the end here. And thanks so much for watching. And please, again, let me know what you got. And has anyone tried this? Let me know. Bye for now.